Hey, I'm Zach Burmis. I'm coming at you from Amp Lighting, and I'm here to talk about our new modular ControlPro hardscapes. As a lot of you pros may know, when you're installing hardscapes, a common pain point would be serviceability. So if any of these hardscapes happens to go out and fail in the field, you want your service calls to go quickly, easily, and without creating a huge headache. These new ControlPro hardscapes are going to come in 3 different sizes and 2 different types. One is the 2700K constant output, and one is the RGBCW RF. The 2700K is going to be if your customers don't want any customization with color or anything along those lines. It's also going to save you a few dollars, so if cost is an issue with your customer, it's going to help them out there. The RGBCW is fully customizable from color, color temperature, dimming, and also the ability to put them into zones. So if that's what you're looking for, your customer wants color, this is the way to go. It's controlled all through the RF remote. There is 2 ways to mount these hardscapes. Number 1 is with the mounting bracket. These also have breakouts, depending on kind of what you're dealing with, how you have to fit it in there. That might help a little bit. And these outer screws remove the mounting bracket. So if you have a little bit smaller of a space or you can't get under a capstone, that's the way you're going to want to install these. Now if you want to service these fixtures, it's very simple. You have the 2 inner screws right here that remove the faceplate. There is a magnetic module that just pops right on and off. It's super simple, super quick. Now this is our tried and true DescentPro. This has been a staple for our pros putting in hardscapes for quite some time. It's easily serviceable, very dependable fixture. So what we're going to do today is we are going to have a little competition. We're going to see how the tried and tested DescentPro is going to stack up against the modular ControlPro as far as ease of serviceability. All right, so we have another member of the team here, Joseas. You want to come over here, Joseas? How you doing, sir?
I know, brother.
Oh, so good, so good. And we are going to put these head to head. Joseas has the DescentPro. It uses a G4 bipin, has a very similar faceplate, and as we discussed earlier, the ControlPro has the module that I'm going to switch in and out, and we're going to see how this goes. You ready?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Ready? Go. Hey, great job, buddy. So as you can see, it's on par with our, again, this has been around for a long time and has been touted as one of the most serviceable and dependable hardscapes that we have. This is a great alternative, but all 3 of these are a great option if you do hardscapes with AMP. Thanks for choosing AMP.